What's up there, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this video, that means you are interested in easy, quick projects to make before the holidays are over. I've compiled several items that I've made in the past involving little bags or things like that would be great gifts to give to yourself or anyone for the holiday season. So stay tuned. First up is a super handy and eco-friendly gift, a foldable shopping bag. It's perfect for encouraging loved ones to ditch plastic bags and go green. This bag folds up neatly into a compact size, so it's easy to stash in a purse or glove compartment. It only requires a moderate amount of fabric, making it a great project for a weekend afternoon. Just a heads up, you'll want to add a fastener like a plastic snap to keep it closed and secure when folded. If you want to add a little extra flair, the Ruffle tote is a fantastic choice. The trend last year was all about adding a playful ruffle to accessories, and this tote does just that. The ruffle brings a cute, whimsical touch, and you can really make it pop by using contrasting fabrics, maybe a bright color for the ruffle, and a more neutral tone for the bag itself. It's a lovely gift that combines practicality with a touch of personality. Next, I have a cozy gift idea for the book lovers. This is what I call a book pillow. I actually made this for someone who loves to read in bed or on the couch. It's a soft pillowcase with a built-in pouch at the front where you can tuck in your next read. The pouch has a handle at the top, making it easy to carry around. I used leftover denim from my stash and some fabric from Joann's. And you can customize it with any fabric you like. To complete the gift, just add a pillow insert inside. And because you can adjust the size, it's a versatile project that you can tailor to fit different preferences or pillow sizes. Moving on to a stylish accessory, the knot bag. It might look simple at first glance, but it actually requires some careful technique to sew well. The trickiest part is turning the bag inside out and then sewing the open side along a gentle curve. Once you get the hang of it, it's very satisfying. This bag is super versatile. You can make it larger for everyday use or smaller for a quick clutch. For smaller, quick projects, you can sew up an eyeglass case or a card holder. These are perfect for showing off cute fabrics and only need about a fat quarter of fabric. Plus, you want to add some fusible fleece inside to get them a bit of cushioning so that your glasses and cards can stay protected. They're great for giving out to coworkers or friends as gifts. If you're feeling a little more ambitious, try making a triangle zipper pouch as a cute bag as a gift. It's a small bag with a zipper and a handy loop to carry or hang. You'll need to know how to install a zipper, but once you get the hang of it, it's a fun project that comes together quickly. And honestly, once you start making these small pouches, you'll probably want to make many, many more for friends, family, or even yourself. Thanks so much for watching this channel. Be sure to like this video and make a comment below on which project you are excited to try. And be sure to subscribe to keep up with all the videos coming up. Happy holidays and thanks for watching.